Apur. Thank you so much for taking time. And
Thank you, Mang. Thank you so much.
how are you?
I'm very well. How are you, sir?
Thank you. Thank you. I'm doing good. So, bro, I love to know your experience. How did you find super sourcing? And what was before that? Like, I wanted to know what was your idea, what you were looking for. So, consider this as a general discussion and
Yes,
looking
yes, yes,
for
of
the
course.
feedback so that we can improve our platform.
Actually, I was looking for an agency to make my project. I was actually working on a project from a long time. We actually hired an agency, but the feedback was not very good. The developers, they actually ran away. So I was looking for someone who is trustful and who can provide me something of value. So I came across Engineer Babu, and then I met Twinkle, and Twinkle actually uh, referred super sourcing as a platform. So I went to the platform, I posted my project, and thank God it was India approved. So actually the process was super smooth. It was very speedy. Within 24 hours of my posting, I got 5 agencies of shortlistings. Okay, so from the shortlisting agencies, Twinkle helped me to negotiate and give me the best which could suit my budget, because I had a really small budget, so it was not actually fitting in everyone's uh, pocket. So that was really helpful of Twinkle and the team of Super Sourcing.
So, what was that? So, did you like the basically the simplicity? Because what we are trying to achieve in a super sourcing, we have been in this industry from the last 7 8 years. We understand like when people post on a LinkedIn, thousand people flood, and everybody is saying, "Hey, we are a great company." So, knowing who match the budget and not people usually claiming a lot of guys what they does like initially they reduce the price just because they wanted to win the deal, but later on the performance is not as same as it happened in terms of the delivery side. So did you find the delivery was also matching with their promises? Are they able to deliver the product in a right way?
The delivery of the project was absolutely on time. They gave me 3 months of time that they would be completing it in 3 months, and the testing was being started after 2.5 months.
Okay.
So the process was very timely, and also the I'm very thankful to you guys that you are helping new entrepreneurs in fulfilling their dreams.
सो क्या था लाइक क्या क्या चीजें आपको लगा कि लाइक वी गाइस डिड रियली गुड व्हिच अदर प्लेटफॉर्म आर नॉट एबल टू डू, और क्या चीजें हैं जो हमको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रोवाइज करना चाहिए बिकॉज अगेन वी आर आल्सो न्यू इन द प्लेटफॉर्म, एवरी डे इज अ न्यू लर्निंग. सो हैप्पी टू नो मोर honest feedback how we can improvise
Yes,
and
yes. Of course, I would say the one-on-one dedicated जो आपका managers हैं, they are really helpful. उन्होंने मेरी बहुत help की, और उन्होंने negotiations और shortlistings में help करी है बहुत ज़्यादा, कि जो मेरे domain में experienced agencies हैं, सिर्फ उन्हीं को shortlist करके उन्होंने मेरे को provide किया है. उसके बाद I would say कि पूरा प्रोसेस ट्रांसपेरेंट रहा है. द मनी फैक्टर वाज आल्सो वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. उन्होंने मेरे को बताया कि इसके अंदर ये इंक्लूजन्स रहेंगे, स्ट्रिक्ट इंक्लूजन्स रहेंगे. तो दैट वर द स्ट्रिक्ट इंक्लूजन्स ऑल आई वांटेड, वो सब एडेड थे उसके अंदर ऑलरेडी. सो दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट.
तो अपूर्व यार, द आइडिया इज वेरी क्लियर. होता क्या है कि लाइक व्हेन यू बिल्ड अ ऑटोमेशन प्लेटफॉर्म, there are thousand more questions which entrepreneur has, and he required some manual, somebody who support them कि एनडीए क्या होता है, क्या क्लॉजेस होंगे, आइडिया कैसे प्रोटेक्ट होगा, कोई और कॉपी तो नहीं कर लेगा, और डिलीवरी टाइम कैसे होगा, पेमेंट टर्म्स यूजुअली कैसे होते हैं, मेंटेनेंस कब होता है. सो ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं व्हिच दे लव टू नो. सो आई थिंक इसी वजह से हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे वर्क को ऑटोमेशन पे लाए हैं, लाइक स्कोपिंग एंड ऑल. बट बहुत सारी चीज़ें जब एक बार बात कर लेते हैं, सो आई थिंक वी नो कि एग्ज़ैक्ट नीड क्या है और कैसे हम उनको बेटर सही लोगों से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
राइट, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली डूइंग द राइट स्टेप. और बहुत बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है आपका, अभी मैं बोलूंगा, क्योंकि मतलब एनडीए अप्रूव्ड और एनडीए प्रूव्ड प्रूफ जो है वो कंसेप्ट दैट वाज रियली गुड, क्योंकि एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर इज स्केयर्ड कि अपना प्रोजेक्ट जब पोस्ट कर रहा है तो वो उसका प्रोजेक्ट कहीं लीक तो ना हो जाए, बिकॉज़ वी आर लाइक फर्स्ट इन द मार्केट हू इज़ डूइंग दिस थिंग। सो
Correct.
सबको अपना थोड़ा टफ लगता है कि कैसे हम पोस्ट करें। सो बट because of the reliability of Engineer Babu, I would say, and your face value, we have been committed and we posted the project on Super Sourcing.
I know, like you, as you said, like you find a right agency who help you out building your product. So, would you mind sharing this with your friends and help us growing our platform? So, can you recommend some of your friends?
So I'll frankly tell you, Mayank, I have actually recommended this to my friend. He was looking for an agency for his application. He has a new domain for some cars or for modification. So I've already recommended your super sourcing platform that you can look for the best agencies and it's reliable.